Hi. So we're going to make a cereal. This is Cocoa Puffs, my favorite. Hui. Milk. So we're going to unbox the Cocoa Puffs. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. My favorite.